In part 1 of this Avalanche Consensus video series, we explored the steps to set up your own virtual private server and install the requisite Bitcoin ABC node software. In this part 2 video, we'll explore the steps to create an Avalanche stake proof and configure your eCash node to use it. Please note this demo only focuses on the simple single wallet approach to generating Avalanche proofs. For detailed instructions for proof generation on hardware or offline wallets, please refer to the Avalanche staking tutorial on the Bitcoin ABC.org website. While the Avalanche protocol itself has well-defined safety guarantees, it requires some sort of method for Sybil resistance. In order to provide this Sybil resistance, the eCash Avalanche network requires that every peer that participates in Avalanche voting has an associated stake proof. More than one Avalanche node can be associated with the same proof. The proof provides Sybil resistance by being associated with eCash coins. The proof contains signatures from the private spending key for those coins. This means that only the person who knows the private key for the coin can add stakes to the proof. One proof can be tied to many coins, which means that the coins don't have to be moved in order to create the stake proof. Now, let's see how this is achieved in practice. Once you have an operational eCash node up and running from the Part 1 video, you can stake your XEC coins and generate an Avalanche proof to activate an Avalanche node. Firstly, let's stop the eCash node for the time being by using Bitcoin-CLI stop, as we learned from the Part 1 video. Now go to your Electrum ABC wallet. Click on the Coins tab. Then select an amount that is more than 100 million XEC coins and has been sitting there for at least 2 weeks or 2016 blocks. Right-click this amount and then click Build Avalanche Proof. On this Avalanche Proof editor screen, adjust the expiration date of this proof to your desired choice and then click Generate Proof. An example of a generated proof is shown here. You'll need to note down your master private key and the generate proof output, as they will be used to configure your Avalanche node. Then back in your PuTTY terminal, open your eCash node configuration file by typing the following command. There are a few key parameters to enter into this configuration file. Avalanche equals 1 activates the Avalanche software for your eCash node. Then Ava proof equals to the generated Avalanche proof shown in the Avalanche proof editor earlier. Ava master key equals to your master private key as displayed from the Avalanche proof editor. Debug equals Avalanche if you want to see activity in the debug log. And then finally add daemon equals 1 so that you will not forget to add it to the command line. When ready, press Ctrl-O followed by Enter, then Ctrl-X to exit the editor. And now your node is configured as an Avalanche node. All that is left to do is to simply start your Avalanche-powered node by using Bitcoin D-daemon, which will now run your node with Avalanche Consensus activated. Once your Avalanche node is running, you can check the state of the Avalanche network by using Bitcoin-CLI and followed by Get Avalanche Info. A successfully configured Avalanche node will generate the following output shown on screen, where the ready-to-poll and verified attributes are showing as true, as well as your own staked amount and the state of the Avalanche network. For more node command line options, refer to the documentation on the Bitcoin ABC.org website. We recognize that this may be a technically complex process for many eCash users. If you have any technical inquiries regarding the use of the Electrum ABC wallet for Avalanche purposes, please hop on to the official Electrum ABC Telegram at t.me/ElectrumABC. If you have any questions around running an eCash node, please hop on to the eCash Development Telegram at t.me/eCashDevelopment.